Yo, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Speedy, and I'm talking better.
Beto Sykes, the Zulu Michael Jackson, Sanbone Makai.
I'm so sick of any babies, Pagishan on my suitcase, in my lady.
Shoot, Sykes, bro. You've worked with Abantu Abaningi, who are like famous, who have made it. You have made it as well. As a person. Me, and I see you. But who would you say was the best person you've worked with?
Kabelo Mota, Dalatukzin. EJ Maporisa.
Awukhona hali shem. Wanda.
If you could change impilo yakho with one person, who would it be?
Change my life like how?
Like exchange lives with one person.
Exchange lives with someone. I would exchange lives with a guy called Uten Pelzerian.
Away. I've seen Intombi Yami poster, bro. Have you ever like received a threats from guys who are like, bro, why Intombi Yami text or like?
Ngisanga fonela intombazane ngangiyishela ngayishela ngayeka yabo. Ngayifonela after unyaka. Ngiyifonela Instagram. Abele kwathiwa hello. So angaze ngithola threats because ngaxolisa. Wathi ethi hello, ngavela ngavala ifoni, ngaxolisa. Ngamsendela imessage kuyona leli page lentombazane ngathi bengingazi ukuthi useqomile ngiyaxolisa. That's the worst. Angaze kodwa ngithola threats.
But ngiyabonga kakhulu for this. You're such a humble guy. But last question. Would you recommend the Chapters Lodge to your friends if you lived in Ladysmith?
Yeah, of course. I've been enjoying myself. Kakhulukazi ngoba ngalesikhathi ngizala ngiphelwe imoto nje njengamanje imoto yami ku freeway. But ngithe ngifika la kwangathi ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi ngiphelwe imoto. So yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi ama vibe amnandi kakhulu. I would recommend this place.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu but just one more thing ngiyaxolisa ukuhlupha. Abantu ask me ukuthi if I do get a chance to tell Sykes ukuthi ngimthole on a video, just a shout out to the fans. Shout out to bonke abalandeli because baningi.
Yeah, shout out to wonke umuntu who's ever supported me in their lives. A big shout out to my family, a big shout out to my friends. And yeah, a big shout out to everyone who's creating 3-step music right now because this is our movement and we are the next big thing, if not the big thing right now.
Thank you.